Might look good enough.
Bro in the back counting up. Back when I was younger, I was hustling and moving quick. Having dreams of worldly things, not God, that's the sinking ship. Now I praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, I'm bowing to His throne. I was on a different thing, a different path from what I'm on. Take you back to 12, already smoking, I was skipping school. Didn't believe in God the way I should have, I was breaking rules. I was doing everything to fit in, I thought they was cool. I was always diving in the liquor like it was a pool. For the liquor, watch me die.
Yo, 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 what is up? So I just bought the, what is this thing called? This is the, I keep wanting to say the Ace. Well, no, it's not the Ace. What is this? DJI. This is the DJI Osmo Action Pro 5. Let's see how she looks. It's crazy how my bike just started in third, no problem. Started moving and everything. That's crazy. Batman going to the Bat Cave. Come on, gate. You know you want to open for me today. There you go. Sometimes this gate does not like to open for me. So, ooh, we are looking good. Looking for me, that cop. Like, man, some biker's been ripping it through here all day. Wrong way.
steady smoking, I was skipping school. Didn't believe in God the way I should've. I was breaking rules. I was doing everything to fit in. I thought they was cool. I was always diving in the liquor like it was a pool. For the liquor, watch me die. Pool full of liquor, watch me. No. I was hypnotized by all the stuff that I was watching, all the stuff that I was listening to. 14, I was getting rude. 15, I was acting pretty brainless. I guess I'm a fool. Nope, that's what they told me though. My Lord, He sent the Holy Ghost. I was very thankful and I still wouldn't turn my back on Him. He know that we sinners by our nature. I came back to Him. Had a son, God came back for the one.
What's up, my son? Alrighty. I had to go get my extra helmet because this has my mic in it for my new camera. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Very good.
Hi. I come with you.
Yeah, we'll go on a small ride in a little bit. Oh, sweet, I'm still recording. This battery life is amazing.
Let me see.
Oh. Can you see it?
No.
Right in there, the camera. Right here.
What's here? I didn't fly in the camera.
Yeah.
You would fly in the camera.
Alrighty.
Everything my phone.
That's so cool. Alright, let's do it.